Okay, welcome to my analysis. It's the weekend. Today is Sunday, the 16th of March, 2025. And the dollar, last week, we were talking about seeing higher prices, you know, to recover so that we can cover some of this movement, you know, some of this bearish movement so that we can retrace a little more. Yeah. So, and as you can see, our plan is to see strength for some time to form a high in this area during April. You know, when it comes to trading forex, time is very essential. It's time and price. So before the appointed time for price to move in a particular direction, it won't move before that time. It will just move or consolidate until it is that time, then it will start moving. So we expect lower dollar on a longer term. We expect that the dollar can decline to as low as these levels here. That is 97,500. If you look at that, that's the optimal trade entry for this swing right here. So this is M1. So it's very possible that all these liquidity pools here will be cleared. These triple bottoms here on M1. So having that in mind, W1 shows us, making it clearer for us. What we just need to see is a rally and decline. See that? That's our plan. I want to see the market do just that. So price has tapped into a monthly level, a monthly discount array, this fair value gap right here. If you look at that, it's a fair value gap and price has just tapped into it. So we can expect a tradable bounce of that level higher. Zooming into W1, we see that same level here at these lows. The price has just tapped it, and it is very possible to expect a tradable bounce before we see price continue lower. So with that in mind, we are buying the US dollar. Next week we expect to see some swing high get broken on D1 or at least H4. H4 is enough for me, and market structure on H4 right now is bullish already, so I'm in the trade with my stop loss. And my target right now would be I'm gonna place a W1 target. I'll use this, these old lows here. That's what I'll be using. And I see that low has already been marked out as a monthly fair value gap, so this should be our target, delineating that in purple, showing our target. So it might not get up to there, but that is where we are aiming for. You see that is what we are aiming for, so we can go ahead and place take profit as far as here. So with that in mind, we'll be trading other pairs like Euro USD, trying to see some bearish movement that will take us down. I'm trying to see some bearish movement that will take us down. A little retracement, of this monthly fair value gap too that we marked out. It's basically the same with the XY. You see that very clear. So we expect some decline of that premium array. There has been no bearish break market structure on D1, but it has happened on H4. So when market opens, we'll be selling Euro USD, placing our stop loss here and looking for lower prices. GBP USD, the same thing. We'll be selling, trying to see a run below these lows here and into that green rectangle. And we can expect to see further movement higher. Yeah. So as you can see, this is what it is. And trading is a really, really beautiful something that you can use to make good money. And this is Euro GBP. And frankly, I am going to sit this one out. And you might be wondering why USD card isn't declining like that. That's how market is. Not everything moves together. And when they're moving like this, it's a crack in correlation. Yeah. A crack in correlation, and it signals SMT smart, and we use our smart money tool to know what we will do. You understand? So as you can see, it's still very bullish on USD card, and it's very possible for us to see higher prices. Very possible for us to do that. So we'll be buying USD card right there. Place now stop loss here and looking to see higher prices. At least this H4 rejection block marked out here, this red line, is a good enough target for me. USD JPY, price has declined, tapped into a W1 fair value gap, and we expect some tradable bounce as a bullish movement higher before price continues going lower. And if we look at this looks like a bearish breaker on the Japanese yen weekly chart. So if we are going to be buying this pair, I wouldn't strongly recommend it because it won't go so far to probably stop in this area and go down. So next week I expect some consolidation on this pair. It won't go very far. Probably stop in this area, and that's that. But right now you can be buying. You can be buying here a stop loss here with here as a target. USD CHF. I feel the same way. Yeah, well, this is a target. This M1 gap right here. This monthly gap. Yeah, as your bearish target. So any rally higher will just take us as far as mm, mm, just there. No, no. As market structure remains bearish on D1, so I'm not comfortable buying, because this H4 gap is probably the target, and this D1 resistance will be as fast to go. We can be buying this other block here and taking profits over here. So with the week opening up, I would trade accordingly. And if you want to get my trades, if you want to trade with me, going in when I'm going in, buying when I'm buying, selling when I'm selling, making the profits as I'm making them, just join my Telegram channel using my invite link. And as you can see, this is paper trading, yes. But it's showing you just the progress we've made this year using a $5,000 account. Here is our account balance. We've made $139. As you can see it here, this is our equity. Even though we have drawdown, that is just part of the trade, man. You're gonna see drawdowns. But we keep trading. So on Bitcoin, what I see for Bitcoin is, I'm bullish. I'm buying Bitcoin right now. Due to so many things. I know I'm not supposed to make these videos very long, but sometimes they do get long. I can see prices in a monthly fair value gap, and fair value gaps are pretty strong, so we expect some bullish movement, tradable bounce from that level. On W1, we can see no premium arrays existing except this W1 bearish order blocks here, and also above those lies two double tops. What's that? Buy side liquidity price will be heading for that. So everybody who thinks price is rushing down, selling, putting that stop loss here, price will go back up, take that stop loss before we see further price lower into this block here. So right now I'm buying Bitcoin with my target high above there. I have seen my daily breaking market structure. H4 4-hour chart looks very good. Up now, trade entry, and I'm buying Bitcoin right now. I'm already long with my target. My target is gonna be as far as gonna be as far as 109 and higher. So that's trading for you. Ethereum, yes, I expect it to be bullish. It might not perform as well as Bitcoin, but we expect some bullishness of that level. Solana also, the price could go lower. And as for gold is rushing up, going up, making new highs. That's nice. It's giving us, that's formed a very clear buying level for us there on W1. I remember we are buying here because of this W1 fair value gap, and see how price reacted. Very wonderfully. So when price gets down here again, I'll be hunting for buy setups. As a result, we are profitable on silver as a result of gold's rally. Showing you my executions right there. You can see how I handle the trading. See that I was buying here, selling here, and finally this sell right there took some profits here. So you see that's just wonderful. Once again, if you wanna be getting these trades, all you have to do is to simply join my Telegram channel. So like I said, food is getting costly. This is wheat. Optimal trade entry. Breaking market structure on D1, on W1 to bullish. So everything is lining up nicely. Soybean too, we are buying soybean, wheat. Look at that optimal trade entry, and corn. Look at that optimal trade entry. Corn has already broken to bullish on M1. So there's no other place for it to go except higher. So with that, my analysis comes to an end. Make sure you guys take care and keep trading. Good luck, good trading. Take care.